My private teaching focuses on communication-related courses, such as signal assistance for the undergraduate and digital communications for the graduate. And my research focus relies on next-generation communication systems, such as satellite communications, mmWave communications. And I choose to use YTTEK PluSDR 400, 100, and 056. And I also use FE and FlexBeam to simulate wireless communication environment. YTTEK is a company with practical experience and strong theoretical foundation. Its R&D engineers are senior experts in such a field. As a result, their products are easy to use and flexible for beginners and students. Second, it is quite easy for professors to train students. Thus, we can spend just less time to train them. And third, it is easy for us to integrate our research results and findings into practical use. Since communication industry evolves rapidly, it is not easy for traditional instructors to design their materials that follow tightly the current trend. Now, with the help of SDR, YTTEK's products, we can easily modify or revise our experiment that can follow tightly the current trends. So I strongly recommend that SDR is really good to use. They can help instructors or researchers. They can put their ideas into practice.
YTTEK, tomorrow's wireless, today.